Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on iPhone 15 Pro. First, open settings on your device. Then scroll down to display and brightness menu. Here, either choose the dark mode manually or instead let your iPhone choose by itself by switching on automatic mode change. The default value for automatic mode change is light until sunset and then obviously dark after sunset. Or if you want to change the schedule, tap right here and select custom schedule and then select when the light mode should start in here and when the dark mode should start working in here. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.